Hey guys, Bill Soriano here from Pittsburgh. I just was able to get on the computer here. Want to show you that golden era scanner with our Jifu platform. And as you guys know, I'm getting on here a little bit late because I've been on enhanced support with Facebook for like the third time in 2 weeks now. For some reason, they keep suspending my account for fraud and deception. And I don't know, somebody must keep reporting my account. And I think there's a way to like select fraud and deception whenever you report somebody. I don't know what's going on, but it just keeps getting suspended. I file the appeal. I do what they want me to do. They put it back online. Usually takes 24 to 48 hours. Then, 3 or 4 days goes by and it's suspended again for no reason. So if anyone else has been having those issues and you're watching this, let me know about that. But anyway, let's get to the golden era scanner here. So let me share my screen here. And like I told you, each week I'm going to do a quick overview of one of the 8 scanners that we have with Jifu. The first one I did this week is the golden era scanner. This scanner is used for trading gold, and it's a 5-minute scalping strategy. So I put an overview video here. Here's some results, a results video from yesterday, 5/13. Now today, I want to show you what we're looking at here. So this is right now at 6:38 p.m. Eastern time. There was a buy signal right here for gold. And again, guys, I'm not an investment advisor. I'm not here to give you investment advice. I'm not giving you trading signals here. I'm showing you these trades after the fact so that you can determine if this scanner is something you might want to try out. If you do decide to join Jifu and try this scanner out, you're going to do it on demo. You always trade on demo first, right? Until you're sure that you're going to be able to make money with this specific strategy. Forex is a risky business. You can lose all or part of your capital, especially if you don't have proper risk management and you don't know what you're doing. So, make sure you always trade on demo first. And once you see that the strategy can work for you, then you can start trading on a live account. So with that out of the way, this was a buy order here. Again, we're on a 5-minute time frame scalping here. This candle right here was the candle where the signal went off. We wait for that candle to close. And then this is the zone of action here. And you can see that this candle right here, the red candle came back, touched that zone of action, and then price moved up through exit 1 and exit 2. So here's your invalidation zone down here. That's your stop loss. Exit 1 is basically take profit 1, take profit 2 is exit 2. Okay. Once you see the white flag, that means the trade's over. You can't take the trade anymore because it's already either lost or it's already won. Okay. Now, there are confirmations that you have to look for. First confirmation is you want to trade with the trend. Now, I'm sorry, but I wouldn't take this trade because it's clearly on the 5-minute chart in a downtrend. So if we want to trade with the trend, also if we go over to trading view, if we bring up gold on the 5-minute, if we're just looking, at the 800, here's the 50, here's the 25 EMA, the 25 is below the 50. And they're both below the 800. So this is clearly in a downtrend. Now, I don't worry too much about the 800 because we're just trading on the 5-minute time frame. But if the 50 is below the 200, then to me, that's bearish. If it's above, then it's bullish. Okay. But right now, the trend on the 5-minute time frame is definitely bearish. And so if we're using the confirmations like we're instructed to do so in the videos and the PDF, then we will not take this trade. Okay. Now the second confirmation is this zone of action an area of support and resistance? And yes, you could see that it definitely is. Right? I don't know if I can find here's the rectangle. We could see this right here. This is definitely an area of support, right? You could see how prices come down. It's been support, 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 support. It went through it and then support again. So that's definitely a zone of past support and resistance, okay? Now, we don't have any candlestick pattern to tell us to take this trade. And there's not a lot of imbalance until down here. Okay, so there's not a lot of imbalance close to the zone itself. So you're not worried about price coming down to there initially. So this was a trade that the Golden Era scanner gave us. It is a winning trade, but again, if we're following the confirmations, we would not take this trade because the 5-minute time frame is clearly bearish, and this was a long position or a bullish trade. Okay, so I'm going to pause this video, and I'm going to wait for another signal to come out and finish. Okay, because I'm not going to come on here when the signal first comes out, because I don't want you guys trying to take these trades. You know, if you're going to get started with Jifu, that's fine. You come on board, you can try things out for 7 days. They have a money back guarantee, and you can make sure you're trading on a demo account. Okay, so I don't show you the trades until they've finished. When you see the white flag, that's when I'll come on and show you the trade. Okay. Now, the thing is, with this particular scanner, they're not all like this, I don't think, but this particular one, once a new signal comes out, the old one disappears. The old one's gone once a new signal comes out. So you have to be watching this scanner live in order to get the signals. Okay, hang tight, guys, and I will be back. Okay, so there was another Golden Era scanner signal that came out here, and this was a sell signal. So remember, we were saying that the trend is definitely bearish, so we would want to take a sell signal. And you see it already disappeared there, and another signal came out. But there was a signal in here, and it was a losing trade. And now a new buy signal has just gone off. But again, this was right here. So I had taken the trade on demo, and you could see this was how it was set up. It was a 1-to-2 risk to reward trade. Everything was there. I mean, it was all the confirmations were there. You had a bearish engulfing candle. You had it was going with the trend. It was a sell. You had past support and resistance in that area. There was no imbalance to be filled up above. There was no imbalance up here. No imbalance going all the way up. This price action is all efficient. And so, you know, it was a good signal to take for a sell, but it ended up losing. So, and that happened. So now another signal has come out, but again, this would be a buy. And I think that the overall trend is down, so I wouldn't want to take this one. Anyway, I wanted to try to come on each night and show you two signals and how they pan out. So I'm going to close up this video now, and then I'll come back on tomorrow night, see if I can, you know, look for a couple signals coming out with the scanner. And we'll put this updated video on the PDF file here. It will go right under yesterday's results. And so we'll take it from there, guys. Again, if you need this PDF file, should be in the description area of this video. If it's not, drop me a note if you're watching the video somewhere else. And keep in mind that our $50 bonus is still in effect. They've extended this for a few more days. It was supposed to expire on May 12th. So if you get started with us, here's a quick overview video by Brandon Boyd you can watch. Here's my overview video right here. And then you could sign up and save $50 with my links here. So have a great night, guys.